At Numerian Capital, we bring you the latest stock news each day. Please like and subscribe so we can bring these articles to you each day. Thank you.
Today, November 23, 2022, Pfizer stock could be the booster shot your portfolio needs now. Pfizer stock should move higher after an outstanding quarterly report. A recent data analysis indicates positive results for a bivalent COVID-19 booster provided by Pfizer and BioNTech. Pfizer announced outstanding quarterly financial results and raised guidance. Investors can choose to add to their Pfizer stock position now. As you may be aware, pharmaceutical giant Pfizer, NYSE, PFE, and BioNTech, Nasdaq BNTX, are working together to develop COVID-19 vaccines and boosters. A fresh report indicates positive results for the two companies' bivalent COVID-19 vaccine. That's good news for anyone invested in Pfizer stock, and there are plenty of positive financial data points to consider as well. It's been more than 2 years since COVID-19 came to America. This means that the pandemic trade is over for stock traders, right? Actually, there's still at least one investment opportunity and value seekers should pay close attention. Bear in mind that the COVID-19 pandemic isn't over yet. There's still work to be done, and just released data suggests that Pfizer and BioNTech remain on the forefront of modern vaccine science. Pfizer, $48.92. Pfizer stock presents an undeniable value. It's true that Pfizer stock has chopped and flopped around in 2022. Yet, value investors ought to take note, as Pfizer's trailing 12-month price-to-earnings ratio is quite reasonable at 9.2 times. This is starting to sound like a Warren Buffett type of stock. Besides value hunting, Buffett also tends to enjoy dividend collecting. If you like to collect income as well, check this out. Pfizer pays its investors a healthy forward annual dividend yield of 3.33%. On top of all that, Pfizer has financials and guidance to impress even the staunchest skeptics. During 2022's third quarter, Pfizer earned $1.51 per diluted share, beating Wall Street's forecast of $1.39 per share. Also during that quarter, Pfizer generated $22.638 billion in revenue, exceeding the analyst consensus estimate of $21.072 billion. Furthermore, the company raised its full-year 2022 revenue guidance by around $1.7 billion, and its adjusted diluted earnings per share full-year guidance by 19 cents. Pfizer and BioNTech disclosed strong booster shot results. In case you need more positive news, Pfizer and BioNTech just dropped a fresh press release. It concerns their bivalent COVID-19 vaccine, which is adapted to the Omicron BA.4 and BA.5 variant strains. This booster shot may help to provide improved protection against COVID-19 due to Omicron BA.4 and BA.5 sublineages as well as new sublineages that continue to increase in prevalence, according to the press release. In case you'd like to quantify the improvement, the new booster's neutralizing antibody titers against emerging Omicron sublineages increased 3.2 to 4.8-fold compared to the original COVID-19 vaccine. What are the new sublineages? They include BA.4.6, BA.2.75.2, BQ.1.1 and XBB.1, all of which are Omicron variants. This is significant as Omicron BA.5 comprises nearly 30% of cases in the US, while BQ.1.1 accounts for almost 25% of cases in the country. What you can do now? You've now seen the encouraging bivalent COVID-19 booster results. Plus, you're privy to Pfizer's rock-solid financial results. So far, there's a pretty convincing argument to take a long position. Then, we can add the deep value and dividend angles, and the bullish thesis only grows stronger. So, don't hesitate to conduct your own due diligence on Pfizer's fresh clinical data. After doing that, you might just consider putting Pfizer stock in your portfolio.
Thanks for watching Numerian Capital News. Please come back tomorrow for another stock news update. Thank you.